Hey guys, today I got another Archives Box Break. I removed all the plastic and plastic covering, so it will be a lot quicker. Okay, let's get started. Okay, let's get this going. Yeah, this is my first time opening a Archives in a long time. I'd say about 5 months. Now, I do remember that the loot cards are after the fourth one. Right here. If you happen to get one. The epic is Thunder Fury. It's a pretty sick card. Let's see what my first one was. Skipped it. EA, Extended Art, The Bringer of Death. Fail. Water Elemental. That's pretty sweet. No loot. I'm just gonna skip the last 4 cards because, you know, they're worthless. They're all common cards. Lady Vosh. That's like my 12th. Nellis, the Silencer. Oh man, I love opening cards. I miss it. Rare Band of the Inevitable. Fury is the rare. I think that's my first one I've got. Ooh, first loot card. Landro Longshot. Wow. I'll take it. This one I think is 1 in 121, I believe. Don't take my word for it, because, you know, I have no clue. Try to hold my cards farther so you can see the full card. Overkill. Nellis the Silencer again. I know a lot of people are trying to get Extended Art Leroy Jenkins, and I actually got 3 of them, all Extended Art. Predatory Gloves. And I have 2 Lich Kings, and I think I've only opened, I'd say, 4 to 5 archive boxes. Nothing like Mr. Downstar. Battle Mage Vera. Yeah, I think he's open like over 20 plus, maybe more, 30. And he's got, I think, 4 or 5 Spectral Tigers. Man, it's crazy. Totemic Mastery. Halfway. Look at that, another one. Extended Art Leroy Jenkins. Wow, now I got 4. Oh, that's awesome. I love that card. Faces from the Past. Another one, Faces from the Past. 2 in a row. Another Totemic Mastery. Okay, 9 left. Void Fire Wand. Azeloth. Battle Mage Vera. Come on, another loot. I'm not being greedy, but I kinda am. Marksman Glass. 4 more, please. Another water elemental. Light Warden's Band. Oh, I'm gonna spill all my cards over. That wouldn't be good. Lay on Hands. I think there's one more pack to go in this box. I'll be happy with 1 loot if that's all I get. Probably. A Taste of Divinity. Here we go. Any loot, any loot. No. Well, I guess that's gonna do it for this video. We got 1 loot card and an extended art Leroy Jenkins, sorry. So thanks for watching. See you later.